Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a student or fresher, this video is extremely important for you. Today I am going to explain a recently announced Oracle internship opportunity, which was launched around mid-January and is currently trending. So this is a paid internship open to students and fresh graduates with 0 to 2 plus years of experience. So in this video I'll cover eligibility, roles, internship duration, benefits and the complete application process step by step. So make sure you watch the video till end. So now let's first understand the company. So Oracle is a global leader in cloud technology, enterprise software and database solutions. Oracle works with some of the world's biggest organizations across banking, healthcare, government and technology sectors. Starting your career at Oracle gives you global exposure, strong technical learning, and brand value, which helps a lot in your future career. So, now let's talk about eligibility. This internship is open to current students and fresh graduates. Even if you have up to 2 or more years of experience, you can still apply. One important requirement is English proficiency. You should be able to read, write, and speak English. Since Oracle is a global company, there is no strict restriction on department or degree, which means engineering, science, commerce, or even other backgrounds can apply. Now let's see the internship duration and nature. So this is a paid internship program usually lasting between 8 to 12 weeks, similar to a summer internship. During this time, interns receive training, guidance, and hands-on exposure to enterprise level tools and technologies. Now let's talk about internship benefits. First of all, it is a paid internship, which is a big plus. Second, you get structured mentorship and training. Third, you gain exposure to cloud and enterprise technologies, which are highly in demand. Many former Oracle interns have reported improved career opportunities after completing this program. So, now let's see how to apply for this role. So, here you can see it is applicable for all the roles. So, click on apply now. So before moving forward, if you are new here, I'm Namrita and on this channel I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates and free courses. So do check out my videos and on the notification bell for latest updates. And follow my social media handles for more. Next here you can see you don't need to create an account here. So if you just give your email ID or phone number, you can continue with the application. Like in other website you create account, that thing is not there in this. So you can just enter your email ID here, then click on I agree with terms and condition, then click on next. So here there are three ways to apply for this. You can apply with LinkedIn, you can apply with Indeed, or you can just upload your CV or resume. So some of the details will be filled. Like if you think your LinkedIn is optimized, you're you're good to go with LinkedIn. Or if you think you haven't created your LinkedIn profile properly, then you can just upload CV or resume. That is okay. So just click on this and upload your resume. So I have uploaded my resume here. So it's being processed. It will take some time to complete. So some of the details will be auto filled, and the details which are not filled, you need to fill the details. Okay. So here you can see some of the details are filled. Now I'll fill the remaining details and I'll show you. So so here you need to fill your last name, first name, then you can fill your title. It is not mandatory, but if you want you can fill. Then email address, then phone number, then you can check this box. Use SMS for communication, like SMS will be sent to you if you check this box regarding this process. Enter your address, then country, then click. So after you select India, you need to fill address line 1. So these are optional. Then city or town, then pin code, then click on state, then click on next. So after clicking on next, you will get this page that is education section. So here there is an important point. So let's go through it once. So see, please make sure the information presented here matches your resume. So here it has been auto-fill some of my details. So it is asking me to make sure that all the details which it has auto-filled or which I filled should match my resume. And if you do not see your school listed, select it other. If your school is not listed in the drop down, you can click on other. So what they're telling is Oracle conducts pre-employment background checks. And if you are unable to verify the information provided in your application, like forms, profile, and resume, we may not be able to extend you an offer of employment. Only identify one entry as your most recent or current education. So it is very important. So make sure the details which you are giving in the forms or in the profile or resume, it should be accurate and it should match in every field. It should match in every field. And if your school does not assign a GPA, please enter. And if your school does not assign a GPA, please enter 1 in the GPA field. Okay. So here you can edit the details correctly. Make sure every detail is matching with your resume and your original proofs also. It must be matching because they'll check everything. In background, they'll check everything like your documents and all. So make sure you're filling it correctly. After education, you must add your experience, like what the internships you did or projects that you can add there. Then skills. After skills, you need to add licenses and certificates. You can add your certificates. You can also, after that, you can add your cover letter also. If in your resume you have mentioned the links, it will be autofilled, or else you must fill the links like LinkedIn profile link, GitHub link, hacker rank link, and many other coding platforms or any other platforms you can mention like portfolio, code chef, everything you can mention. Then click on next. Next, you need to fill the extra information like my availability to take up the assignment with Oracle would be like you can select anything like after completion of my academic degree within the next 12 months, completed my academic degree with the last 12 months and available to join immediately. So yeah, you can choose anything like I'm applying for an internship, I'm interested in experience role at Oracle, you can select anything. Then earliest available date, like when you will be available for the joining. Next, are you an ex Oracle employee? If you are, then you should click yes. If no, you can click no. Are you currently or have you previously been employed by government as an employee or contractor in past 5 years? If yes, you can select yes. If no, no. Are you legally authorized to work in jurisdiction country where the job is posted? Select accordingly. Then diversity information like your gender, then disability information. So if you don't have any disability, you can just leave this field. And these fields are optional. This field is optional and this too. So then click on I agree, I agree. Then read this all. Then give your full name here. Then click on submit. So that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, you can just drop them in the comment box. I'll surely reply to everyone. And if you found this video helpful, please like, hype and share because your one like will make the video to reach many viewers. So your support means a lot. And don't forget to subscribe. So see you in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.